Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Right here in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a lot of money self-clicking your CPA marketing offers. Regardless of any country you are in right now, you can use this strategy cause it's going to work like crazy. So, I would like you to watch this video right now to learn this simple strategy and utilize it to make money online. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do that right now and always ensure that your notification bell is always turned on all, so that you do get alerted whenever I release a new strategy to make money online. Diving right ahead into the video of today, what you need to get done first is to create a CPA marketing account. That's for those of you that don't have one yet, and you can get an account right here on this platform called cpagrip.com. Click on register, you will be brought a page such as this, and you just need to provide your basic details on the fields being provided. Focus more on all the fields having this particular red asterisk sign. As you can see, the signs indicates the required field you must fill out before an account can be created on such platforms. You can then scroll down to the bottom section after filling out the form and agree to the terms of services right here, before going on to creating your account and log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account guys, you'll want to come on to this page that you can see right now. To get to this page right here, you'll have to come on to this section that says Offer Tools, select that option, select My Offers from the drop-down list, and you'll be brought to a page similar like this. You can filter your offers to any demographic of your choice right here. As you can see right now, my offers are actually from the Nigerian demographic. You can further filter your offers based on payouts, by selecting payouts, but most of these offers are not actually paying quite a huge amount of money. Right here I'm going to show you a cool way which you can self-click these offers. Most of these offers are actually pinned submit offers that simply requires just the submission of a phone number or phone details to get converted. As you can see right here, the title of this offer says Choose the Cars Now. Here's the description for the offer. It says clear the CAPTCHA and enter your mobile number now to start downloading. You can actually see that this is for people in the Nigerian demographic that uses Apple iOS devices. All they need to do is to submit their PIN, which is their phone number, and you'll actually get paid this particular amount per person that does complete the offer. And this is your unique affiliate link which you need to promote this offer for people to go on to clicking. In order for you to self-click this offer, you need to copy the link and create a simple landing page on platforms like Google's site right now. You could also create a landing page on this platform right here called breezy.io. You could create a lot of landing pages with a lot of cool landing page builder sites out there. I'm not going to walk you through the process of creating a landing page. You can check that out right here on YouTube just by searching for landing page in the search bar and watch any of these videos to learn how to create one. Now once your landing page has actually been created, since we intend on self-clicking this offer, you just want to go to this particular platform called the temp-mail.org. This is a very cool platform that you can actually use to get temporary email addresses. The reason why I'm using this platform right now is because I simply just want to send a mail to this platform or to this particular email address so that CPA Grip will not actually detect that we're self-clicking our offers. This right here is for CPA Grip to detect that our leads is coming from this particular email address. You could copy the email address, you could refresh this, you could change the email address or delete the current address. If I do go onto a new tab right here and open up my email address. So once I'm actually on my email address, I'm just going to click on compose right here. After which, it's going to require me to compose a simple email. I'm just going to paste that link to the CPA offer right here. And I'm just going to come right here, copy this particular address right now, which is this email address, and paste that as the recipient. Now you can then put in a subject like CPA offer. If I do put in something like this, what I'm going to do is to simply click on send so as not to make this quite lengthy. Once that has actually been sent, come to this page right here and you can actually then go on to refreshing this. After refreshing the page, you'll be able to see your message in the inbox right here. If you click on that, this is actually the email which we sent. Now all you need to do is to complete this offer yourself after accessing your browser as a visitor. Now to complete this offer yourself, you can actually click that from this particular page directly. It's going to take you to that CPA marketing offer, where you just need to complete a simple survey. After completing the survey questions, you'll actually be required to insert your phone number. To do that using a number that's not yours, you need to head to this platform right here called receive-smss.com. With this platform right here, you'll be able to get valid phone numbers to use temporarily from various countries around the world. You can see you could get phone number from Nigeria, United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and the list keeps going on and on. You could select a phone number. Once you do that, you'll be brought to this page. See right here that a lot of people are using this phone number and they're actually getting messages with this phone number. You can also use the number yourself, but you make sure that you don't use the phone number for very important things in order for you not to reveal important information to others also using the same number temporarily. So you can copy the phone number to your clipboard right now and use if to self-click your CPA marketing offer. You can also select a different number if you don't want to use this one. There are multiple numbers to select from for some certain demographics. If your offer requires you to submit an email or zip code in order to complete the self-clicking process, then you can use this website called temp-mail.org to get temporary email addresses like I showed you earlier, and to get zip codes, you'll have to head to google.com and search for best random. From the search results, select the first option. Select the location which you intend on getting zip codes from right here, and as you can see, these are best random addresses in Nigeria. You can see the street, the city, the state and province area, the phone number, country calling code, and the country. You could also get zip code right here for your offers. You can change the addresses to get different zip codes over and over again, as much as you like to get different codes for different offers. You could also do the same for the temporary email platform. Get multiple data and use such data to complete multiple offers and make money online with this strategy and with CPA grip or CPA marketing as a whole. It is important that whenever you're self-clicking your offers, you always make use of a VPN to ensure that the CPA marketing platform does not detect that you're completing the offer from the same IP address. If the video was helpful, why not just simply hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. So that's it for now. If you have any question, you can leave that in the comments section and I should answer you as soon as possible. Thank you all for watching, see you all in my next video, and goodbye.